In this video, I'm going to show you how to add item modifiers in Square. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go either over here on the left, the items and services, items, and then over here you can see modifiers, and you can of course create your modifiers over here. However, I do think it's easier if you just go into a specific item and add modifiers from there. So I'm going to click on item library, and then from here you want to find the item where you want to add the modifier sets. So I'm just going to go with this iced latte over here. I'm going to click on it, and then when you do that, as you can see, you can of course edit the item. You can scroll down, and in here you're going to see modifiers. Now here you can just click on the add button, and this is where you can basically add modifiers. So as you can see, currently it says no modifiers available. So first you want to click on over here to actually create a modifier. Okay, so we're going to click on there. And now, of course, it's going to take us to modifiers where we were before. And right now on this page, you can just go ahead and now, of course, add the item modifier. So we're going to click on create a modifier. And there we go. You have to give it a name. So the name is going to be, for example, milk choice over here like this. There we go. And then display name is also going to be milk choice, and then it says what kind of modifier set is this. I'm just going to put it as list modifier. Okay, so customers can make a selection from a list of choices. Now of course you can put it locations, channels, whatever, and then in here you can of course create your modifier list. So we're just going to basically put a few of them in here. So I'm going to name the first one whole milk, and of course it's going to be pre-selected over here. Then we're going to select a new modifier. For example, it's going to be oat milk, and this is going to be plus, let's do 75 cents over here. Then we're going to add, like, let's say, for example, almond milk. So this is for our iced latte. Okay, of course, if you have anything else, you can use it for that as well. This is just an example to show you how this works. So almond milk, and I'm going to make this one 0.75 as well. And then a new one is going to be, for example, soy milk. And let's say this is going to be it. Okay, I'm going to add this 0.75. There we go. Now, of course, you can make them in stock or not, and that's now going to be good. Now, of course, you can go to the bottom here, change different settings, selection rules, etc. Of course, you can select if you want to require selection or not. I'm going to do that, and I'm going to click on the save button top right. Now whenever you've done that, you now have successfully created your item modifiers, and of course you can then click apply to items over here, and you can just select the iced latte or whatever you have in your case and click on apply to items. Now if I go back to item library over here, you'll be able to see if I click on modifiers and then add, it's going to oops, I would have to refresh the site for this to actually take effect, so make sure you refresh and don't forget that part. And there we go, it's going to refresh, and if it kicks you out, you basically just want to go back to your item library and click on your item. And then in here, there we go, it's currently still loading. Yeah, okay, it's now back in the iced latte. If I scroll down, as you can see, there we go, modifiers are milk choice. Okay, and milk choice, we have the whole milk, oat milk, almond milk, and soy milk as well. Okay, so that's how to add item modifiers in Square. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.